Okay, in this video, we're going to look how can we graph these, make this screen a little bigger. How do we graph these lines? The first one is not going to be too bad, but the second one we might have a problem. So we have these constraints. This only goes 6, -6. So let's do the first one. We'll do a slope of 2 over 1 and a y-intercept at 5. So this actually already presents a problem. So we can be 5 and we need to go up 2 over 1, but that's off the graph. This one's a little easier to fix though because we can also do the opposite. We can do down 2 and left 1 because if those are both negative, it turns into a positive slope. So we can, from this point, you can graph it by going down 2 over 1 and then you'll have that line in the system. See if we can get this straight on here. So hard to do. Okay. Now this one is a bigger problem because we can't even get the -11 on there. It's too low. Well, we also know we're going to be going from that -11, we're going to be going down and over more because it's -2 over 1. So we need to figure out how do we get some points that we can actually graph on here. So one idea that you can do is plug in values. Now if we plug in positive values, again, since it's a negative slope, we know the graph is going to be going down more towards the right. So these positive numbers are going to give us a higher negative value, so taking us more off the graph. So let's try plugging in some positive values, or sorry, some negative values that'll hopefully make us come up a little bit. So let's try plugging in -4 for x. We'll just make an xy chart. So if we plug in -4, we get -2 times -4 minus 11. We can see this is probably going to work. So -2 times -4 is a +8. 8 minus 11, we'll get a -3. So still negative, but at least we're on the graph. So -4 and -3. And then from this point, we can go down 2 over 1 to get a second point, or you could go up to left 1, because if you're going down 2 over 1, that's like -2 over 1. If you go up to left 1, it's like going +2, but then -1. So either way here, you're getting that negative slope, and we can see from this graph that it's also a negative slope. It's going in a negative direction. So anyway, that's a tip for you. Just try some different points that'll bring the line more onto the graph.